did.
Yeah, it is. You hear it?
Oh, yeah.
That's it. Oh my God. Look at it swirling over here. You see it? Look at it.
Holy crap.
Oh my God. That's it. That's it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is awesome. Oh my God. Look at it. Look at it. That's it. You don't hear it? No. Look at it. Oh my God.
Dude, it's coming.
You see it? I told you guys we didn't have enough time to get home. Oh.
Free, watch the free.
Oh, shit.
Oh, God. Go, go.
Oh!
Holy crap. It's got to be on the side, like to the west of us.
Oh my God.
Hey, you're there, man. So grateful.
What did you do though?
How much? Yeah.
It's locked down pretty, unless it gets really crazy.
Now there's 3 of them back to back to back. That was awesome. Have you ever seen anything like that before?
Holy crap.
Yeah. Funny. I hope we got the dog out. Look at over here. Here comes the second one.
Guys.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I guess
I think we should go be some storm fishing.
Did you see that wall of rain coming at us?
Look, here's another call before the storm. There's the orange. I bet it's in our house.
Are you guys over there?